Morning, students. In trigonometry, I was started that exercise 8.1. I explained so many questions from this exercise and given to solve the remaining question. I hope you have solved the questions. Someone of you asked the doubts. I have given that solutions also. And if any more doubt from this exercise, you can ask to me. I will send the solution of that. Question number 6. In that previous class, I was explaining the question number solution of question number 6 while taking angle A and B in the same triangle. So today I have explained that I said in last time that it can be taken in the different triangles also. So today I explained with that method. If angle A in a one triangle and angle B in another triangle, and according to the question, cos A is given equal to cos B. So cos theta, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. What is base? The side allied to this angle except the hypotenuse. तो ये देखो क्योंकि 90 हमने लिया है Q पे, so let PQA is a right angle triangle and angle XYB is a right angle triangle at Y and this is at Q. A and B are the acute angle. So cos A is equal to cos B. What is cos A? Base. Base is AQ upon AP होगा ना, AQ upon AP. Base upon hypotenuse. Cos B base क्या हुआ BY और hypotenuse क्या हुआ BX क्योंकि 90 के अपोजिट BY upon BX. So these are given equal. So let here look, these two sides are the same triangle. These two sides are also of the same triangle. So for that I make the arrangement of ratio of sides of two triangles. Okay, so that's why I have made here the cross multiplies. AQ को हमने यहाँ क्रॉस किया और ये BX यहाँ कर दिया, तो क्या हुआ BX upon AP is equal to BY upon AQ. This also can be written ना, ये देखो हमने इंटरचेंज किया क्रॉस बाई डूइंग द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐसा कर सकते हो, या फिर सिर्फ AQ यहाँ आ जाएगा डिवाइड हो जाएगा और BX यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. So you will write it BX upon AP is equal to BY upon AQ and I have considered it K क्योंकि रेशियो है किसी कांस्टेंट इक्वल हमने सपोज कर लिया. लेट इट इज इक्वल टू K. So if BX upon AP is equal to K, then BX is equal to AP into K and BY is equal to K into AP. So we got BX and also BY. So now according to the PGT I can find out its third side. Third side इसका PQ remaining है और इसका third side XY है. So you know PGT, I have explained the PGT. What is PGT? Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So what is the side of triangle is equal to any one side or the square of one leg of the right angle triangle is equal to hypotenuse square minus square of the other side. So according to that हम directly xy square निकाल सकते हैं. What is xy square is equal to bx square minus by square by PGT होगा by using PGT. Similarly PQ square, what is PQ square? AP square hypotenuse minus AQ square. So AP square minus AQ square. So now put BX के प्लेस पे what can we write? KAP. तो हमने रखा KP और BY के प्लेस में हम रख सकते हैं K times of AQ. So it's square K square into AP square minus K square into AQ square. So if K square common, so we can get AP square minus AQ square. Okay. K square into AP square minus AQ square भी होगा. So xy क्या हो सकता है रूट ऑफ, अब देखो K स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट तो K हो गया, बट its square root will be written in A into root over AP square minus AQ square. Okay, so that we got. Now after that रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. xy upon pq को हम रेशियो फाइंड आउट करते हैं. So xy upon pq, what can we write? xq upon pq. और देखो ये xy की वैल्यू हमने रखा और pq की वैल्यू पुट किया. So if you look at pq square is equal to AP square minus AQ square. So PQ is equal to square root of AP square minus AQ square. That is correct ना? आफ्टर दैट देखो ये पार्ट सेम है तो इसको हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं और कैंसिल करते हैं तो क्या मिलेगा K. So that's we got xy upon PQ is equal to K. ये हम सेकंड बनाते हैं. And look from 1 and 2. Look here from equation 1 and 2. I have made here the first equation BX upon AP is equal to BY upon AQ is equal to I have considered K और यहाँ हमने प्रूव किया XY upon PQ is equal to K. So what can we get from equation 1 and 2? Can you tell what can we get from 1 and 2? So look 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 I can get that BX upon AP क्या हो सकता है? BX upon AP is equal to BY upon AQ and that is also equal to xy upon pq. Okay, so this, look here, we got that. What is the meaning of that? Means two triangle जिनके three corresponding sides, three sides are, if the sides of any two triangles are proportional, corresponding sides ratio, the corresponding sides of two triangles are in the same ratio, then triangles are said to be the similar triangle. Which two triangles I have taken? Once again I will draw here the figure because I have roughed it by mistake. ये देखो, ये था फिगर हमारा, here A, here P, Q, and this is X, Y and B. अभी देखो हमको फाइंड आउट हुआ BX अपॉन AP इज इक्वल टू BY अपॉन, देखो ये BY अपॉन AP इज इक्वल टू XY अपॉन PQ. सो देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल PQA सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल, ये सिमिलर होता है. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सिमिलरिटी. So similar to triangle, it is called triple S similarity. ये हम triple S similarity बोलते हैं. Afterwards you will learn it in, you will understood that triple S similarity for the similar triangles के लिए. तो if three sides, all three corresponding sides are proportional, are in the same ratio, then triangles are said to be the similar. So therefore triangle PQA similar to triangle XYB. As you know, if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles or corresponding sides are equal. Similarly, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding sides are proportional, but their corresponding angles are equal. So देखो ये हुआ, therefore angle A must be equal to angle B. ये find out हो गया. Hence we prove that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay. And also I think that you done the remaining question from this exercise. Once again, if you are having doubt, you can ask to me. Okay. So today I will explain the values of trigonometric ratios for some particular angles. So these values you need to learn it. Firstly, I will make the table, and after that I will explain proof of some particular values also. Okay. So there is